Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is very exciting. This has been a long time in the works for us. We haven't been vlogging as much recently, you guys have probably noticed, and one of the reasons why, or the main reason why, is because we're renovating our house again. Well, not again, like we're renovating the parts of the house that we didn't get around to renovating when we first bought the house and moved in. So Christmas gift to us is basically a new house for Christmas, which is really exciting. But things have been getting delayed and we're working with a bunch of different contractors and projects are like half completed all over the place. I'm really excited to kind of show you where we're at right now, and then hopefully the next vlog after this will have like everything completed. So it's gonna be like quite the transformation, so definitely stay tuned for that. Also, wanted to throw this out there, thank you guys so much for 1 million subscribers. We just hit that, I think it's today, the day that I'm filming this. This is probably gonna go up like a week from now. But thank you guys so much. We've been making videos on this channel for a very long time. I want to say like 7 or 8 years. How long have we been doing videos, babe, on this channel?
8 years, I think.
It's been a long time, so it's a long time coming. So thank you so much. We appreciate all of you and thanks for your support. Also super excited because we have an amazing sponsor for today's video. Huge shout out to Roborock. They actually sent us one of their S7 vacuums a couple weeks ago and we've been using it throughout this like home renovation process. It has been the best lifesaver product. Like, I'm so excited to share a little bit more about it with you guys. If you're looking for something to help you keep your house clean or you're looking for a great Christmas gift, this is it. So you guys may have noticed this gigantic pile of paint behind me. There's also a bunch of cleaning supplies and stuff because we had to clean out. You want to show them underneath the sink? The plumber emptied everything out. So he took off the faucet and disconnected it because our countertops are going in tomorrow. So basically everything's on the floor. We still have to clear off everything on the countertops though for the demo, so that's going to be fun. And we're picking out our paint colors today because what are we painting, honey? Everything?
Everything. Yeah. And also, you know, I just saw, which is kind of funny, which is like, how many times did we lose our fly swatter? And they were all underneath the sink.
So you didn't lose them. They were all in the same area.
I don't know, but I don't know. It's funny that there's 3 fly swatters all together.
Somebody is big enough to start using his bouncer too. This is his new favorite toy. Yeah, you want to tell him? And tell him that you're making dinosaur noises now, like a big kid. And drooly, lots of drools. We got some teeth coming in soon. Seriously, this kid's getting so big, I can't believe he's gonna be 6 months old this month. All right, so don't mind the dinosaur baby in the background. He's something else over there. Jeff's gonna tell you guys a little bit more about the amazing Roborock S7 that we've been using.
One of my favorite features of the Roborock S7 is that it has precision mapping. So it goes around, it maps your entire house. You can divide it off into rooms. You can set timers, so you can tell it when you want it to go and spot clean different rooms. So you can have timers, you can do spot cleaning. Also, like we have this rug right here, I can set up to include everything in here. And as it's mopping, it lifts the mop up. And then it keeps cleaning up the rug.
I think that's like my favorite part.
So you can just like do the whole area at once. And you can also set up no-go zones. Like, so for example, just tight around the table, I set it up as a no-go zone because all the chairs are there with all the chair legs and I wanted to avoid that. So I'm about to take this upstairs real quick. I mentioned the mapping before. It maps up to 4 different levels. So I'm about to take it upstairs. I also want to show you guys it has an all-new all-rubber brush and it helps prevent tangles and it's much more durable. And the tangles are a big deal for us because we have a lot of girls and we have a lot of hair. It also responds to voice control, so if you have Siri, Alexa, or Google Home, you can control it with the power of your voice. The most important feature of Roborock S7 is the sonic technology that scrubs floors up to 3,000 times per minute.
So huge thanks to Roborock again for sponsoring today's video and for helping us keep our house clean during such a crazy construction project. They are available on Amazon. There's gonna be a link in the description box if you guys are interested in checking it out.
Time for the cooktop reveal. Ta-da!
You mean no cooktop?
Yeah.
So you want to talk about how we have been eating takeout for a couple days? Because that's fun.
Yesterday, yeah, yesterday and today, and then they'll be doing construction tomorrow.
Yeah.
So no cooktop, no water.
No faucet.
Actually, I can show you what I did. I don't even think Melissa knows this. Here, let me take the camera for a second. I took a red Solo cup and put it in there because that goes right down into the cabinet. And actually, look how good that is. Obviously, we don't want to pour anything in there.
So our countertops are getting installed tomorrow, and I want to show you guys some of the stuff that we picked out. And you obviously have to come back for like one of our next videos to see like the full kitchen reveal. And I did talk about this on stories, so I feel like on Instagram stories, that's where like people get all like the inside info first. But this is a sample of our new countertop.
Yeah, let's see if
I love it so much. This is what's getting installed tomorrow. I think it's really going to brighten up the whole kitchen. It is quartz, which is awesome because I heard that quartz, you don't have to like seal it like granite. It's also like more durable. Like it doesn't have any of the, what are they calling granite when it has like weak spots?
Pores?
Striations?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
I don't know. We've learned a lot about like
Obviously.
the project.
We're pros.
So all the countertops are going to be this, stoked. It's getting installed tomorrow along with the sink, the range, the faucet, and then this is our cabinet color. So we're doing a 2-color combo. If you want to back up and show them the islands.
Sure.
The island is going to be this gray color.
Because you're an island mom.
And if you look, we actually had a construction guy, a contractor come out, and he custom built out like the base of our island. So the counter is going to be a little bit bigger, obviously, to like overhang on that. But the island and the island cabinets are going to be this color. And then the rest of the cabinets, like all around and the uppers, are going to be this color, which actually is a little bit brighter of a white than what we currently have right now. And I can actually show you exactly what it's going to look like because they installed a new cabinet.
Oh, yeah.
Right here. So this is an example of what it's going to look like. They actually came and installed this cabinet a few days ago, and the reason why they did this is because this cabinet used to be like recessed and lower. When the builder built this house, it was like a desk, but we don't ever use it as a desk. We actually put Willow's little dog kennel in there, which it's perfect for. So we decided that with the new countertop, we're going to take it all the way across. So they like raised it up for us, and they didn't raise the old one, they took that one out, but they put in the new one. And because they put it in before, we get to see like a sample of what the new doors are going to look like.
But we already knew, right?
Well, I hadn't seen like
in person,
although this is going to be different. So
What?
let me show you guys like the hardware.
What?
I'm like really excited about this. So all the pull-out drawers like those are actually going to have black hardware like this, and then the cabinets are going to have these pulls.
Okay.
Right. So it's gonna look like that. I'm really excited. And then the other things that we did in the kitchen are we replaced the oven, and like we have like a double oven now.
Oh yeah. So I kind of like this, so I'm kind of torn, I guess. I like it. So here's the thing: like we got the new oven, nice, and then this is like a convection oven.
Yes. So it's a convection oven / microwave, which I did not even know was a thing. But when I found this, I was like so excited because it's exactly what we needed.
Yeah,
because
totally.
we don't really have room for a double oven.
But here's my thing. So I'm about 6'1", right? So this is how tall it is. It's it's the upper of the ovens. So the issue I have a little bit is it pulls down. So this is still pretty high for the girls. Like Gretchen can't use the microwave.
No.
Like she's not going to be able to, stand there and reach over. So it's a little bit of a stretch even for like Gracelyn.
But having, I'm
you know what I
okay with
mean?
that. I'll help them with the microwave if it means I get an extra oven.
Yeah.
That's like the most important part. And how amazing do they look? Like,
it looks
this is
cool.
the cafe,
It looks
it's
cool.
like GE line. It's the cafe versions, and the range that we're getting is also that version, so it'll all match, which is really awesome. The other thing I'll show you guys real quick, because this is getting done last, but this is our backsplash tile. So this is going to be everywhere in the kitchen. Like right now, you can kind of see we have like that little trim. What's it called when they do those little like trim pieces?
Trim. like I know a better word for that.
I don't know. So they're ripping...
Charcuterie? No, I just see our charcuterie boards right there.
Yeah, there you go. So they're ripping all that out when they do the demo tomorrow. So when the kitchen is done, all the way up on all the areas that have the quartz are also going to have this.
Okay, but it's going to be the whole, see how it's painted and it has the little tiny backsplash?
It's going to go the whole way.
It's going to be the whole way, right?
Yeah, and then I actually found off TikTok, there was this girl that does like Amazon reviews. She found, or was recommending these like lights that go underneath the cabinet.
Oh yeah.
So we actually have the little hidden boxes to put lights underneath. So I'm going to get some of those.
Oh yeah, it's like a little empty. Yeah.
So then when we walk in, there'll be like motion sensor lights or whatever, and they'll turn on, which is super cool. So I'm really excited because when we moved into this house, if you guys have been watching the vlogs that long, you probably remember that like we did a bunch of stuff, but we did not renovate the kitchen because at the time we were spending so much money.
And we did everything
stuff.
else. We did the floors though.
We did the floors. The floors are amazing. So now here we are almost 5 years later, and we're finally getting a chance to do it, and I'm just so excited to see how it turns out. So today is a crazy busy day because not only do we have to pick out paints, and I'll show you guys what we're going to be painting here in a minute, but we're also in the process of replacing our fence because in the last storms, a bunch of them were like this close to coming down, and they've been like propped up.
A ton of broken
pickets. Right, yeah, it was all deteriorated. So we're also doing that right now. We weren't initially planning on doing indoor and outdoor renovations at the same time, but it just kind of happened that way.
And I want to show you real quick. I love this. So Gabrielle's doing a little bit of schoolwork here, and Gracelyn and Jagger, yeah, Gabrielle's doing schoolwork. I love that. I love it.
So
I love that.
They're so cute.
They're just like chilling together. And one of my favorite all-time anythings is like one of my babies like falls asleep on me, like on my chest and stuff. And like he's like the perfect age. Like he's like he just got his doctor's appointment. He's like 97th percentile.
Oh my gosh.
He went from zeroth percentile being 5 pounds to like
He's
97th.
97th for height, 92nd for weight, and 85th for his head circumference.
He's got a tiny head. It's like an orange on a toothpick.
He's just really tall.
Oh,
like
huge head.
the pediatrician literally was like, he's going to be tall. She made like a put him in sports joke.
There you go. And here's one of the paint,
he's so
the walls we're gonna paint, but I'm gonna show you guys the fence first.
And we need some advice maybe in the comments. You guys can let us know because we have to pick a paint today. We don't know what color we're gonna paint this. So if you guys have any suggestions, if you think what would look good in here, leave it down in the comments.
So this is just a real quick show, I guess. We have a guy putting in this fence for us. And here's the old fence. You can actually see there's a lot of rod on it, a lot of broken spots. And we actually had pretty much the whole fence fall down during the last storm. But he's working on it right now. I mean, not literally right now, but you know, you can see he's putting up all new stuff and this thing will be a beauty.
So I thought I'd give you guys a quick Christmas tree tour in this video as well because I don't think we've done that yet. We're gonna do a Christmas house tour. If you guys wanna see that for sure, let us know in the comments below. Maybe we'll film it a little sooner. But this is tree number 1. And this is right by our staircase. This is like the biggest tree in our house. We did a little bit differently this year. Do you remember what we got when we went shopping this year? Everything. Well, I got this ribbon on sale after Christmas with your mom last year, and then we picked up these black ornaments, and I just think this one turned out super cool. Do you want to show them the one in the family room real quick?
Sure. Come with me and you'll be...
Paint again. Ugh, so much paint. So this is our family room tree, and this one is awesome. So it's kind of like a rustic... I don't know, what would you call this? Like rustic themed. It almost looks like cabiny. Like it's got like little wood ornaments and stuff on it. It's super cute. Buffalo check. This one is a slim tree because it's all that would fit in here. But we really wanted to have a tree in this room because this is our family room where we all hang out. So speaking of the family room, this little unit actually is getting painted as well. I forgot to mention that. We had this built in finally after all these years. And this is our 3rd and final Christmas tree in the house right now. I love how you can see these two at the same time. Actually, if you stand right here, hold on, I'm almost there. If you stand right here, when you first walk in our house, you can see all 3 Christmas trees at the same time, which is phenomenal.
And then you immediately know that we're crazy.
So this one is pink, and you guys might have seen this one in my gift guide videos this year because I've been filming
the light on?
in this room. No, I think that would not help very much. But as you can see in this room, we also have one of these walls that we built, and it's not painted yet either. But I'm thinking we keep this one white. What are your thoughts?
I concur. So you see how this wall is here? In all the bathrooms, we kind of did that. We did wainscoting about halfway up. And wainscoting is like a fancy word for only doing half the wall.
So all of our bathrooms are getting painted. We also had somebody come out and measure to install like glass shower doors on all the kids' bathrooms that had shower curtains. And the reason why is because I hate shower curtains. The kids splash water all over the floor. So that's going to be super exciting. I think that's going to be done sometime in January just because of like their timing. So we're going to paint first. So we have 3 bathrooms getting painted totally that we have to pick colors for today because they're starting tomorrow. This wall, which I'm leaning towards keeping white, and then the one in the living room and also like an entertainment center. Oh, and our laundry room because we put cabinets in there too.
Oh yeah, new cabinets too, so
it's a lot, guys. This is a lot of construction, and initially we did not plan on having this done around Christmas. It got delayed though, so
everything got delayed. Contractor after contractor after delay.
We were supposed to be done by Halloween, if that says anything. So fun stuff. The good news is that it shouldn't impact our Christmas. The only thing that's a little bit different this year is that we didn't do quite as many Christmas decorations inside the house, which a lot of you guys are gonna think is crazy because you're looking at 3 Christmas trees. We did the trees still, but normally I put like more decorations up inside the house, and this year I was like, we can't do it. Like all the wreaths that we put in the
just
kitchen.
toned it down a little bit. Like for example, like here, like this looks really cool. Like I like this. Right?
Yeah, cool.
Like that's pretty cool. But there's not like an extravagant thing over the top with a wreath and all that. Yeah. So
and we have no outdoor decorations right now, except for we have a little Santa Claus that Jeff has to put outside today. I think it lights up too. It's like an inflatable one, and then I put a wreath on the door. But aside from that, we're kind of grinching it this year, and it's so weird because
yeah, that's what people are gonna say.
We go so hard on Halloween in our front yard. Like if you guys watch our Halloween videos, you know that like our front yard is like a huge display, and then we put all that away, and now we have like almost no Christmas stuff up, so the neighborhood's probably like, What are they doing?
Are they moving?
I don't know. They probably want us to because we're the ones. They probably hate us. We keep putting out those giant 12-foot skeletons from like August to November. The whole neighborhood's like, oh my gosh, the Weiss.
We took it down though. I was kind of torn. I've seen online where you can buy huge Santa jackets and Santa hats to put on the skeletons. But do I want a skeleton outside of my house all year?
I saw one where it was like holding the Christmas lights.
Oh,
with
like
the Santa hat,
yeah.
like it was putting the lights because they're as tall as the house.
Yeah.
That would be really fun to do, but I think our neighbors, we'd wake up to like our house being egged or something.
Oh,
I feel like they give us a little bit of grace because they're like, okay, it's Halloween. Like, that's fine. But if we don't get it like taken down right away, I feel like it's a little much. So that's it for today's vlog. Make sure you guys stay tuned because the next couple of vlogs are going to be showing like the reveal as soon as all the rooms are done. I'm so excited. And again, thanks to Roborock for sponsoring today's video. We love our new S7. If you guys are interested in checking it out, like I said before, the link is in the description box below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.